Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by Briarberrycove. This is number 6 and is entitled Pint Size. So I'm using a holder that Bobby Keys made for me, and it's been picked, so let's pick it again. And there we go. Sweet. Well, let's go ahead and open this sucker up and see what we got, shall we? Oops. There we go. Oops. And let's see what we got here. Okay, number 1. Standard. 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 And standard. And in the core, it looks like we have some threading in number 3 and some undercuts in 2 and 4. Maybe undercut, that's it. And let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Standard, spring, standard, spring, mushroom spool, spring. I'm not going to pull the rest of the springs out because it looks like they're all the same. Serrated on 5. Screw it. And a standard on number 4. Let's see if anything has been done. Bible. Doesn't look like anything has been done up in the Bible. No modifications there. So, let's do a super zoom here. So we have a standard across the board on the bottom, and we have a standard, mushroom spool, standard, and a serrated on number 5. This again comes to us from Briarberrycove and is entitled Pint Size. This is K1Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.